Hello friends, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to my channel. I thank all the subscribers for supporting. I thank all the viewers. Uh, Today again a question from inequality. Prove 8 times of a power 4 plus b power 4 greater than equals to a plus b whole power 4 given a b greater than 0. So when the question is inequality, most of the questions are solved by Cauchy, Schwarz inequality. So today I am taking this form, Engel form of Cauchy-Schwarz inequality. It says for all real numbers a1, a2, an and b1, b2, bn or greater than 0, we can write a1 square over b1 plus a2 square over b2 plus so on an square over bn. It is always greater than equals to a1 plus a2 plus so on up to an whole square over your b1 plus b2 to bn. So I have used in many questions also, if you have seen all the videos. This is a very important concept or important application by which we can solve many questions. So here I am taking the question. Now I am taking a power 4 plus b power 4. This is your a square and b square because I have to write in this form. a4 plus b4 I can write as a4 by 1 and b4 by 1. That is a square by 1 plus b square by 1. Now we can compare with this above expression. This is a square plus b square and here it is 1 and 1. So b1 is 1, b2 is 1. So it is greater than equals to a square plus b square whole square over 2. Or instead of writing all the steps, you can directly write this. Next, coming to a4 plus b4, we got that it is greater than equals to a square plus b square whole square over 2. Now what about a square plus b square? In the same way, if I'll apply, this is nothing but your a square by 1 plus b square by 1. This is same as your a whole square plus b whole square over 1, 1. So here a1, a2 is ab and b1, b2 is 1, 1. This is again greater than equals to a plus b whole square by 2. So in expression 1, we'll put this one here. So a power 4 plus b power 4 is greater than equals to a plus b square by 2 whole square over 2. So I am getting a power 4 plus b power 4 is greater than equals to a plus b power 4. 2 square is 4 into 2, that will be 8, or 8 times of a power 4 plus b power 4 is greater than equals to a plus b power 4. I hope you liked the solution. Thank you for watching.